railway station. Can you guess from which station it is? It is Goa station. Today I am very happy and excited because today I am traveling in the train. First time I am going in the train. But I traveled it in the plane, not in train. First time I am traveling in the train. So little bit I am scared to travel in the train. I will show you some beautiful places which I took photos and videos. I enjoyed lot with my cousins. This is Goa. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.